This podcast is only for self-study students. If you are already in my coaching center, then I am guiding you at personal level. But for refreshment, for motivation, and for kind of positive energy, you can keep watching this video even though you are not my student or you are not enrolled in my coaching center. This video will definitely add value in your preparation time. How to practice propulsion and structures. Get my logic. Already, if you are self-study students, then lot of things will be in your mind. So this video will help you in this way. Guys, if you want to practice propulsion, first you should make sure your thermodynamics concepts are totally very well, because if thermodynamics is not ready, you cannot understand numericals in the propulsion. See, theory wise you can understand propulsion. Like if I will say what is jet engine, then quickly you will draw, sir, this is turbine, this that, this that, this that, this that, it is the jet propulsion engine, jet propulsion. Okay, and jet engine, and after that, what is turbofan, this is turbofan, what is turbo, this is turboprop. You can say all these things, but when I'll give you this much big example or this much big numerical, then you will understand what is the importance of thermodynamics to crack down this numerical. Many people, they are qualifying GATE exam and they have no idea what is the physical meaning of CP and what is the physical meaning of CV. Sometimes students are being confused after, I'm talking about the GATE qualified students. They confuse with CP of thermodynamics with CP of aerodynamics. CP and this CP. Really, man. Really. Actually, after 2022, two students, they had interview session with me for IASC Bangalore. They said, sir, we have qualified. They were not from my coaching center. One was from different coaching center and one was self-study student. So somehow they contacted me using my through my YouTube video. They found my number, and after every GATE exam, I used to run 15 days interview session. So with very minimal fees, students can join that coaching center and that interview session. We can practice. So this student, he came to me and he said, sir, I want to. So I started session. So I asked CP value about cylinder running process. So one student, he said, sir, CP value is this. Another student, he said with smartness, he said, sir, actually CP value is I know for water and CP value I know for air. So see, these kind of problems he had. Okay, forget this story, come to this point. Do you believe your thermodynamics is very well? If you have any confusion, then first you complete your thermodynamics. Next you complete your gas dynamics. After that only you go to core propulsion, you go to jet cycle, I mean all the TS diagrams, then you go to AFC, CFC, turbine and those things. Okay, and you must do combustion chemistry and heat transfer as well. But how will you practice this? For this I am creating the video. So practice means, actually if you are self-study student, then you take any book. For example, just an example, I'm not supporting any book or I'm not saying that you purchase this book. Business wise, this is my intention is not business wise to promote any book. Example, you can take Sengel and Bowles, you can take PK Nag, okay, and some other books are there. So in thermodynamics, you take any book, you solve all the examples, all the questions till second law. Okay, till second law. It means what? Everything before second law you should be completely fine. Then you go for gas dynamics. In gas dynamics, 2-3 books I will recommend. You read Anderson, you read Zucker completely, and of course Radhakrishnan. All these books you solve completely. Actually, see why I am saying you to solve completely. If you are in coaching center, then the concept will be built up by me. I will build up the concept. Then number of examples, number of numericals, you don't have to solve that much. But if you are a self-study student, then lot of concepts, lot of examples, lot of ideas you will understand by variety of examples. But if you are in coaching center, then the same concept, some concept is in this chapter, some is here, some is here, some is here, some are there. So those concepts are taught by coaching institute. Like I will teach the concept. So in case of self-study students, they have to practice more and more numericals from throughout the book. Okay, clear? So more number of questions you have to solve. So once thermodynamics is ready and gas dynamics is ready, then you jump to your jet propulsion cycle, and CFC and blah blah things. And one thing, some students may be thinking that previous year question paper, if they are doing, that is sufficient. Actually no. See, earlier, before few years, like you can say till 2014 till 2015, this was a good process. Even though you can say till 2019 till here, it was a good practice. But now, from last like 2021 22, situation is entirely different. Question paper format is entirely different. Of course, previous year question paper plays very important role, and you have to solve that. But that is not the only thing. I hope it's clear, right? Now you talk about aircraft structure. How will you practice aircraft structure? In that, first of all, you should have very strong grip on elasticity, bending, torsion, vibration. These things you have to practice enough. Practice enough means, for that you can do one thing. Self-study students, they can practice using a book. You may be knowing SK Mandal book is very good book. He has collected all the GATE questions, IES questions, IAS questions. Okay, SK Mandal. And one thing I want to tell you, when you are purchasing study material from any coaching center, then two coaching centers are giving same study material what was given in SK Mandal book. I have proof. Okay, so be aware. Complete, if you want to purchase, then complete video course you should purchase, because in video course I am teaching you. And if you are purchasing from me, then don't worry, all the authentic material, everything I am giving genuinely. Okay, test series is 400 with solution, all everything is I am giving. So you have to practice elasticity, bending, torsion and vibration. These four things you have to practice in detail. After that, you go for aircraft structure core, thin walled, thick walled, all these things you practice properly. Okay, Maxon book is very good book. In Maxon book, as max as possible you solve. And you should pay enough attention to deflection and slope chapter, because from deflection and slope chapter, vibration is connected, right? But how will you practice this? So for that, you should select any standard book. From that standard book, because see, you are self-study student, so you don't know all the concepts properly. So in your case, more practice is required, because you will be learning different concepts in different examples. Okay, I hope you are understanding this. So complete lot of practice session, lot of numericals. So in case, suppose you are not able to solve exercise problems, then you do one thing: solve all the examples of this book, solve all the examples of this book, solve all the examples of this book. That's all done. Okay, after that you purchase the test series. I have 400 test series, and you practice all the test series. That's all done. Test series is with solution. It is given loaded with solution, and in some questions I have given you all the detailed solution. Okay, and believe me, if you are solving examples from all standard books, and if you are solving at least 4 books, then that's all the concepts will be covered. But it will take around 3 months to complete structure alone. It will take around 3 months to complete propulsion alone, if you are doing by self study. And if you are doing with me, then it takes 2 months for propulsion, 2 months for structure, like this. Okay, aerodynamics and flight mechanics you can pay less attention. And of course, aerodynamics especially is very easy subject. Okay, in flight mechanics you have varieties. In flight mechanics, the stability part is very tough. So anyway, let's meet in next video.